Alright, gusto ko lang i-share yung experience namin sa Excelsior Hotel Alabang last March 31 to April 2. So we stayed there after ng gig namin. Nag-check-in kami with 2 rooms, isang deluxe and premier executive room. Kasi yung connecting rooms nila is dalawa. Magkaiba yung type ng room. So ito yung executive and then I think this one is 6,000 pesos and then may promo kasi sila, and this one the deluxe room is 4,000 pesos. So check-in kayo. I think promo runs until May. So try nyo din. Ito yung gym nila. Mainit yung aircon. Wala kang aircon literal. So nag-gym kami. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung pawis namin. Sobrang init. So ingat-ingat. Bawal magpasok ng water and food. So yun lang. Here is the pool area. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan o, kita nyo naman dun sa ripples ng waves, no? Malamig, maaliwalas sa kanya. Kahit na nasa city ka, hindi mo akalain na ganun ka aliwalas yung pakiramdam. Here's some night shots. Meron silang parang courtyard. And this one, paggising ko, nabot ko yung sunrise. Kaso, one of my gripes or my comments is medyo madumi yung mga walls and mirrors, yung mga glass panels. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Medyo parang hindi napunasan ng ayos or hindi natuyo. I don't know if it's clean or not. Pero most of the glass panels nga, ganyan yung itsura nila. Also, some of the glasses na nandun sa mga sineserve, kasi may parang pa-free refreshments sila. Parang, I'm not saying that it's dirty, but for a high-end hotel, I think kailangan mas ma-protect nila yung cleanliness, no? Kasi parang hindi na patuyo or hindi na tuyo ng ayos yung mga utensils and glasses, yun nga. And so makikita nyo parang hindi maganda masyado yung view tuloy. Here is the pool area. So ang buffet nila 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. The food is okay. I would give it 3 out of 5. No, hindi siya kulang sa lasa. Actually, yun yung problem. Medyo sobrang malasa yung mga pagkain nila. But it's all good. Yeah. Lumabas na kami ng gabi. We stayed there again for 2 nights and we enjoyed our time. Hope to come back soon.